what are people who are trying to get into relationships, or they're looking for a suitable partner that they want to spend their life with, whether they're a girl or boy or man or woman, what are some of the things you're looking for in a partner? What are some of the clues in their behavior that would tell you, okay, this is going to be a great partner for me, or this is probably not going to be a great long-term relationship, and this is just a fling or just a flirting?
Yeah.
So
There's,
what
I
are
think,
some of the personality traits that tell you that, okay, this must be a good person?
so one of the things like is going to be your values. One,
Mhm.
knowing your own values, what your values are, and then seeing if the person has same or similar values, because no two people are going to have exactly same
Mhm.
personalities or same values, but similar values, like on the
Mhm.
main things you're agreeing. And if you do have a disagreement on values, whether you can handle that disagreement and you're okay with it. You can have different political opinions or whatever, but be able to still respect the other person despite them having a different political opinion, and be able to take in what they have to say, what
Mhm.
their opinion is. That's one thing. And the other thing is, I think, friendship, like the friendship and respect. If you are able to respect the other person and the other person respects you, you're able to share your feelings openly with them rather than having to go to a third person to share your feelings with. If you're not able to have that open conversation with your spouse, your partner, then it's not a great relationship if you have to bring a third person in every single time. Sure, if you're
Mhm.
having like a disagreement and it's a problem, that's different. But at the
Mhm.
end of the day, you and your partner should be each other's number one to go to. And I think so. The third thing about personalities you were asking, it's very hard to match your personality with somebody. So you're going to have differences in personality. That's just impossible. Two people can grow up together. Your personality is
Mhm.
going to be very different from your sibling's personality.
Mhm.
That's just how it
Yeah,
is.
yeah,
So, but respect. Can you respect the other person?
yeah.
Once that respect is gone, the relationship is doomed. You have to be able to respect each other.